Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Byrngem Bah Ardent ukora sangma banyak ibang ke Reservation Policy. Presiden barang ba jong ka VP Bah Ardent. Ula ong rutli kibnai kilayat. Hadin bala tahu ka expert committee ban pentemai ka bah tungkam. Lane ka Reservation Policy. Ndai ka jingbom pendapat ba ka Sorkar MDA ka report jong ka Reservation Policy. Kala penbitari Bah Ardent. Hak ba Bah Ardent ula Byrngem ukora sangma. Banyak ipat ba biang shisien. Nagam ta ka Reservation Policy.
Kani kalong ka khubor sha Chief Minister jong ka jilla Meghalaya. Ken riutli ki panai kala ya hadin bak expert committee kala pha ya ka report sha ka Sorkar jilla. Nrai kalong ka basngusi bak Sorkar jilla kampat shimla penmana Paitbah ya kani ka report hadu minta. Wat hadin ba ka party kala ai ka jingtho bonsin ban penkan mau bak kidai ban penmana Paitbah no ya kani ka report. Lada ka Sorkar kadang yai penslem. Parti kan haban shim ye ka sen jam. Ban penlong daga jinge ki Paitbah sa shisen pat ha kini ki kindat sngi ba ki kindat por ki ban wan. This is an open statement to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. 6 months had lapsed since the submission of the report by the expert committee. However, the state government seems not to be willing to make it public till today, despite repeated reminders from the party. Therefore, in this connection, the party would be compelled to resume its agitation if the government failed to announce the report of the expert committee immediately. Thank you.